Hello Skin Functional family, welcome to your YouTube channel. By introduction, I am Kevin, your customer service champion, and I will be taking you through Skintelligence. So please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload content. On today's video, Skintelligence will be on our 6% Glycolic Tonic. The primary ingredient here is glycolic acid, and it comes in 6%. It removes dead skin cells, and it assists in unclogging pores and refining skin texture. Considering that glycolic acid is the smallest alpha hydroxy acid, our formulation has a proprietary blend that allows, or rather ensures, controlled penetration of glycolic acid into the skin. Skin Functional also gives you power benefits through a formulation of synergistic ingredients. Firstly, it has anti-inflammatory effects to reduce irritancy, and it is a potent multi-plant extract that increases hydration levels in the stratum corneum, and it also increases natural moisturizing factors in the skin, and this can last for up to 8 hours. So this formulation utilizes the powerful effect of glycolic acid while reducing burning and irritation. In this blend, you get a much safer glycolic acid that is better tolerated without reducing the efficacy of glycolic acid. Thank you for tuning in on Skintelligence, and if you have not subscribed as yet, please do not hesitate. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button so that you can be notified whenever we upload content. Your support is highly appreciated, and see you next time. Bye for now.